In this guide, I'll show you how to sign out and unlink your Activision account in Warzone. So the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller and scroll on over to settings. And then we're going to go down and go to account and network. Now under Activision account, it's going to tell you if you want to unlink and sign out of your account, you're going to have to go to your profile on callofduty.com. So open up Google on your web browser and in search, type in COD login and then go to search. From here, select in Login to Call of Duty at the top. Then you want to sign into your Activision account with your email and password, or you can sign in via one of these gaming platforms at the bottom. And if you have two-factor authentication, you're going to have to retrieve that code and then go to continue. Now, once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home menu, and you want to select your name in the top right corner and go to linked accounts. Now, here's where you'll see all of the gaming platforms currently linked to your Activision account, such as PlayStation, Battle.net, Xbox, and Steam. And in this example, I'm going to be unlinking from my Xbox account. So press unlink, then press send code to verify your account, and retrieve the code from your email, and then press submit. Once you've done that, if you press unlink again, it's going to unlink your account. Now, since I've previously unlinked this account within the last 12 months, I have to wait, but if you haven't, it'll work for you. After you unlink, you will be signed out of your Warzone account on your respective gaming platform that you unlinked from. So if you close out the game and restart it, it'll prompt you to sign in. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.